Hi, it's 17th of August, 2022, and this is Daniel Parsons, and you can email me, daniel@parsonsmarketing.net, or I have the Telegram handle, Daniel Parsons, and that's P like Papa, Arsons. And so I'm going to show you quickly where your top up link is. And this is a way that you can send this link that's branded to you. So I'm signing in to iNetwork and get rid of the little message here that we've got the top up function working now. And so go to your navigate button. It's down here on the lower left menu, the second one over from the left, hit navigate. So just hit right here, top up. Okay. So when you do this, it's going to automatically load the username because this is branded to me. Okay. So what I do now to make it simpler for my new customers, I just send this link right here. But what I've done is I've owned a domain and it's onlinebizgroup.net. And I've got a dry ease board behind me, compliments of the Vancouver, Washington Library, because my the situation that I'm in today, I needed to use the library. So we're going to just top up my account for $1, and we're going to say just top up and hit confirm submit. Okay. So now, welcome, Daniel. We recognize you. And so it's going to go ahead and use my regular payment card, and I'll hit complete the purchase. And so I was signed in to PayPal. So it says top up success. And so my wallet now has $1 in it. So I can actually go back to my home page, which is the very first button on your nav menu. So scroll down. And I've got 771. So top up one. And so I've got to do two registrations, one in the United Kingdom and one in the USA for customers that have my onlinebizgroup.net. So that being said, the next thing that you do for your customer is just continue on the navigate button one more time and then scroll down. Now I will hit register. And because the UK customer put their money in first, I'm going to go in here and just select a region, United Kingdom. So country join United Kingdom. And the rest of this is pretty simple. I'm going to choose a username for the new customer. Their name goes here. Sponsor, actually, the person that sent me the money, I'm building her team, and so that she's going to go there. And so that being said, in the European signups and the United Kingdom signups, you have one extra step once you do this submit of the basic information. You'll have to go into what's known as your product redemption link. And it's a red link. Just follow me down here. And I'm updating parsonsmarketing.net. I had it set up from March all the way through June when our referral links were taken down But I'll go back in and update it. So I would go in here and do a purchase redemption. Okay. And so you just go in here, it's simple. United Kingdom would be the region. And then the stockist ID would automatically populate once you select United Kingdom. And then you go to the next step, and then it'll just be the name and address fields and all that, and their phone number and email. And then you just hit submit, and then it'll give you a success message, and then you're finished. Now, United States orders, you don't have to do this extra step, or Canadian. I also think Canadian, I just did one of those, and you don't have to do this second step on Canadian. So that's it for this training video. And once again, that website that you can go and join my team online, BIZ group.net. And that way you'll get to my little page. Now there's something very important that I want you to know. Number one, you need to put the correct amount in the amount box in US dollars. And on my pages on parsonsmarketing.net, I've got United Kingdom is $420 for a classic. I've got in the European, it's $499 for the classic. So every page on Parsons Marketing is specific to those regions, okay? And then the last thing that's very important, number two, in the remarks field, make sure you do this, because otherwise it becomes a real hassle for me to try and figure out who sent what. You want to put iTeraCare. You want to put, if you're getting the silver, that's the classic red blower. You would say silver. And then dash classic. Because if you're getting an ion shield, I need to see ion shield right there. But iTeraCare silver dash classic is what most of you will be calling me about. And then the last thing is I want you to put a dash and your name. So iTeraCare silver classic. If it's a classic, if it's an ion shield, put ion shield and then dash your name. So that's real simple. This will be the instruction or the description box on the video. So it'll be simple. God bless you until the next training. Bye for now.